Can a real-time backend be integrated with legacy systems? Have you ever wondered if a real-time backend can work with older systems? This question is more common than you might think, especially as businesses look to modernize their technology. The good news is that yes, a real-time backend can indeed be integrated with legacy systems. However, the method you choose will depend on the specific capabilities and architecture of the legacy system you are dealing with. First, it is essential to understand what the legacy system can do. Start by assessing its architecture and data models. Some legacy systems may already have application programming interfaces available. If they do, this can be the easiest way to connect your real-time backend. If not, you might need to consider other options like database connectors or middleware. If your legacy system has APIS, that is a great starting point. Application programming interfaces allow for event-driven communication, which means your backend can exchange data almost instantly. This is particularly useful for server-side logic and aligns well with modern backend practices. When APIS are not an option, you can use middleware or an enterprise service bus. Middleware acts as a bridge between your legacy system and the real-time backend, managing communication and data transformation. This approach helps synchronize data without requiring extensive changes to the legacy system. If you find that APIS are unavailable, consider using database connectors. These allow your real-time backend to read or write data directly from the legacy system's database. However, you will need a solid understanding of the legacy data structure to ensure everything works smoothly. Another option is robotic process automation. This technology can automate interactions with legacy systems that do not have integration interfaces. It simulates user actions, which can be particularly helpful for repetitive tasks. Additionally, integration platform as a service solutions can simplify connecting legacy systems to modern backends, often including features for real-time data synchronization. While integrating these systems, you may face challenges like incompatible data formats or security concerns. It is important to implement data transformation layers and modern security protocols to keep everything running efficiently. Lastly, planning and documenting your integration requirements is key. Make sure everyone involved understands the goals, data flow directions, and any transformation needs. This clarity will help you create a practical integration plan. In summary, integrating a real-time backend with legacy systems involves designing APIS or connectors that can handle data, updates, and maintain consistency. By focusing on these integration methods, organizations can make the most of their existing legacy systems while benefiting from modern backend services.